Most property managers wait until they have a leak to think about roof replacement. By then, you're already behind. If your roof is on borrowed time, the best decision you can make right now is to replace it before summer hits, not after. I'm going to tell you exactly why and what happens when you wait. Reason number 1, dry weather means faster, cleaner installs. Commercial roof replacement is a sequenced process. Tear off, substrate inspection, installation, new membrane, flashings, drainage. Every one of those steps is weather dependent. When you schedule a replacement during summer in SoCal, you're working with a predictable, dry window. No rain, delays, no moisture getting into an open roof system mid-install, no waiting for conditions to clear in the winter, spring. We're working around the rain calendar. That adds time, and in some cases, it adds cost. Summer removes that variable entirely. Reason number 2, you can see what the full picture of what you're working with after a Southern California winter. Your roof has been through a lot. Even if it didn't leak, wind-driven rain works into flashing gaps, moisture infiltrates seams, drain areas take a beating. A post-winter inspection done in late spring gives you a complete read on the condition of the roof before summer heat accelerates any of that damage. If you're on the fence about whether to repair or replace, late spring is the right time to make that call. Once July and August heat kicks in, compromised sections fail faster. What a $15,000 repair decision in May can become a $40,000 emergency by September. Real quick, if you manage a commercial property in Southern California and you're not sure where your roof stands, we do roof assessments. Not a sales pitch, not a pressure call. We come out, we walk it, we give you an honest condition report so you can make an informed decision. Link is in the description. Reason number 3, contractor availability. Summer is peak season for residential roofing, not commercial. Commercial roofing contractors who specialize in flat and low slope systems like we do tend to have more flexibility in their schedules during early summer than you might expect. By contrast, if you wait until fall and a rainstorm triggers a leak, you're calling contractors at the same time as everyone else in your area. Lead time stretch, emergency call out, rates apply. You're no longer in a position to be selective about who you hire or when the work gets done. Scheduling a replacement now puts you in the driver's seat. Reason number 4, budget cycles. For property managers working with an HOA board, approval process, or a corporate capital expenditure cycle, this matters. Most organizations set budget in quarter 4 for the following year. If you identify a roof replacement needs in spring, you have time to get bids present to your board or CFO. Get approval and still schedule work within the fiscal year. Wait until fall and you're either rushing an approval or rolling it into next year's budget, which means another winter on a roof that's already telling you it's done. Summer roof replacement isn't about rushing a decision. It's about making a smart one at the right time. Dry conditions, full visibility of your roof's condition, better scheduling access, and time to work within your budget process. The window is open right now. If this helped you, think through the timing of your property, subscribe. We put out practical content for commercial property managers every week. And if you're ready to get eyes on your roof, the link to request an assessment is in the description below. We'll see you on the next one.